In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide frame names in Figma. If you've ever been distracted by those little labels that sit on top of your frames, or you're preparing clean screenshots and presentations, hiding frame names can make your canvas look much neater without changing any of your design content. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and signing in, or open the desktop app if that's what you use. Once you're in, open the specific file and the page you want to work on. Make sure your frames are ready. By that, I mean the frames you want to show or share are in place, sized correctly, and arranged the way you like. You don't need to rename or reorganize anything for this to work. The feature simply hides the visual labels on the canvas. Next, open the Actions menu in Figma. This is the quick search and command palette you can access from the top area of the interface. From there, go to the Plugins section. In the search field, type Hide Frame Names. You're looking for the plugin that specifically targets frame name visibility. When you see it in the results, select it to open its details, then click Run. This launches the plugin panel so you can apply the setting. Inside the plugin, look for the option labeled Hide Frame Names and toggle it on. As soon as you switch it on, you should see the labels on your frames disappear from the canvas, giving you a clean, distraction-free view. This is purely visual. Your frame names still exist in the Layers panel and remain intact for organization, handoff, and collaboration. You're not deleting or renaming anything, you're just hiding the overlay that shows on the canvas. If your file is large, it may take a moment for the change to reflect across all frames. That's normal. Also, keep in mind this approach is great for presenting designs, sharing prototypes, or grabbing screenshots that look professional without extra labels cluttering the view. It helps stakeholders focus on the design itself instead of the layer structure. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your page, launch Actions, go to Plugins, search for Hide Frame Names, click it, run it, and toggle on Hide Frame Names. You now have a clean canvas without frame labels getting in the way, while your layer organization stays perfectly intact behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer view of your designs.